Hello, and welcome to Everybody 3D Prints videos. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Hanboost Ultrasonic Cutter, a recently completed Kickstarter project. We are going to follow this video with a full review of the capabilities of the cutter, and then hopefully do a third video comparing the Hanboost cutter to another ultrasonic cutter recently completed on Kickstarter as well. If you like our videos, please press the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when new videos drop, touch the bell as well. So let's get started. Okay, just got this package in. Let's see what's in it. I have my suspicions, but oh, good. It is the Hanboost Ultrasonic Wireless Cutter. So that's the box it comes in. Nice white cardboard box with the Hanboost gold leafed on the front. And that is the plastic carrying case for the tool. Good solid case. Again, Hanboost gold leaf on the front, carbon fiber finish, hinged on the back. Lift the notch and you get the tool. You've got the magnetic closures for the tool the box to stay closed. Here's the tool itself. Nice heft to it. The rubber sleeve they developed for grip. You've got three buttons. You've got, this is the power button. Hold it down. Yep, there it goes. You see the battery level. And now it's showing the number 1. The number 1 I believe to be the intensity of the vibrations. And that's 2, hitting this third button. And that's 3. Press the middle button. And the light goes on for the to light up your work area. And on the back, you've got the Allen key that allows you to put in the blades and USB-C charging port. Nicely protected. And then we have a box of accessories. Same system. Hinged magnetic closure. You've got your USB-C charging cable. We've got the cover for the blade. And we've got 2 boxes of what I guess will be blades. Yep. The diagonal blades. And you've got a couple of extra set screws, which is how I believe they hold in the blade on the tool itself. So let's take a blade. These blades are clearly smaller than standard X-Acto knife blades, so I would assume they have to be gotten from the tool manufacturer. Sorry, I'm being so clumsy in replacing these, but doing this around the camera is a bit cumbersome. Okay, so I put all the blades except the one back in, and I put the spare set screws back in. Okay, I'm going to pause the recording now to put this on charge because I don't like using a tool the way it comes from manufacturer. The charge is usually pretty low. And then we'll resume in a few minutes or whenever it's charged. So let's put in a blade. I left the blade out from before. Open the back. Take out the Allen key tool. Going to loosen each one of these a little bit. Insert the blade. So as you can see, I inserted the blade so that the edge will be down facing when I am holding it with the controls facing up. It's actually vibrating when I try to tighten it, so I'm going to turn it off. That's one that's tight. That's two that's tight. So I'll put this away. Okay, so now we've got the blade on the end. Hold the power button down to turn it on. Turn the light on. And there it is. So now it should be ready to go. So I printed this phone holder a while ago. And as much as I love it, it's got a little ridge here from elephant foot all the way around this edge, which was the bottom edge. That's always bothered me a little, but wasn't worth taking off. So let's see what happens if I try cutting. Okay, so you can hear it. If I touch it sideways, vibrating, and then, yeah, that's the ultrasonic vibrations of the blade. And if I take the blade and I run it down the elephant's foot, it's cutting right through that plastic. There isn't that much elephant's foot, so I'm trying to find where I haven't cut already. Do right here. It's just a matter of placing the blade properly and giving it a light pressure, and it's cutting that plastic. And this is PLA. This is pretty stiff, strong plastic. This is not PETG that is inherently softer. So that's the unboxing and initial trial of it. 89. So I used up 11% of the battery power on 3. I will do a series of tests with it in the near future in a separate video. So I'll take this cover for now and slip it over the blade. See if it fits. With the cover and blade in, it does not fit in the case. So this cover is for use outside the case. but it will fit in the case with the blades, so that's safe enough. We'll take the cover back out and put it away. And there you go. The Hanboost Ultrasonic Cutter unboxing.